Okay, so my son came home and said, Mom, my zipper is broken and I can't zip up my coat. The whole shuttle part was missing. So I went to Joann Fabrics and they had this Fix a Zipper replacement slider kit. And it is slick as anything. In 30 seconds I can get the whole thing fixed. So to do this, you need to take the zipper slider and you open it up and you push so that way you pry the thing open like that. And then, as easy as anything, you slide it over your zipper, snap it on, and just like that, the jacket zips up and it works great. Obviously, that's a pretty quick fix. And again, that is the Duritz Fix a Zipper replacement slider kit. They have different kinds. So this was a plastic zipper, so that's why I chose the fits the plastic molded zippers. But they have metal and they have nylon as well. So just try to find one that fits what you're looking for. And the typical ski jacket, like what I was just fixing, is the size 5. Thank you very much, and I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.